Aesthetics of food is as important as the food itself. Across different cultures, presentation of food is a very important aspect. A simple roti sabji or dal chawal, when presented in a very attractive way, tickles our taste bud. And most of the time, we pay through the nose for this presentation in a restaurant. So today, I am going to be presenting a very humble, popular dish in a new avatar. Stay tuned. Namaskaram. I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on Munch and Mull. I am sure you must have tasted idlis at least once in your lifetime. Though it is a South Indian recipe, it is popular all across India and in the world also. I have done an exclusive episode on brown rice idli with all the benefits that brown rice offers. The link of which is given here. Do check it out after watching this episode. So what is different about the idli that I am making today? I am going to be using the same idli batter. Today I am going to be making idli with a coconut shell. Idli in a new avatar. Let's see how to make it. Here's my brown rice idli batter. Look at the color. It's like dark pink to red in color. The whole process of making the batter is same as I have uploaded in my previous episode of brown rice idli. The only difference in this batter is that I have used full bran rice. This variety is called Valiya Chennellu and is from Kerala. Last episode I had used Rajamudi rice from Karnataka. Red rice often gets unceremoniously clumped into a single category, an umbrella term that doesn't portray and glorify all the diversity that comes with red rice. Valiya Chennellu is a bright, beautiful, long-grained rice from the hills of Wayanad in Kerala. Available as unpolished raw rice, it is known among the tribal community for its nutritive and healthful properties. Glistening in its dazzling hue of red, this heirloom rice is therefore considered a medicinal rice. Traditionally, Valiya Chennellu is said to be particularly beneficial for women's health. Like most of the medicinal red rice, Valiya Chennellu is a full bran raw rice. Let's see how to make our idlis in the coconut shell. So first we will put a few drops of oil. I am using sesame oil. You can use any oil, and let's grease it. Just apply it. And see that the coconut shell does not have a hole here. Okay, it should be a closed coconut shell. Greasing the other one. Now we'll pour the batter. Let's pour the idli batter into the greased coconut shell. Here we go. Take care that you do not fill it up to the brim. Leave some space. Let's switch on the gas. I have poured water into the cooker and I am lowering the idli stand. If you do not have an idli stand, you could even use a vessel in which the shell can go. And now this is the idli batter in the coconut shell. Okay. Keep both at a time, otherwise due to imbalance it will just slide off. Let us close the lid. Do not put the weight. We will steam this on high flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. So it's almost 8 to 10 minutes on high flame. Let us reduce the flame to sim for another 5 minutes. So now we'll switch off the gas. To check if it is cooked, just poke it. It should not stick here. So let's remove this, cool it before we take it off. So here now the idli is cooled in the coconut shell. We just have to remove it. You can use a knife also, loosen it here. So these coconut shell idlis are pretty big in size. So these 2 idlis will be sufficient for an adult, and they've come out very soft. Yes. Very spongy. So here's a coconut shell idli. Why make idlis in coconut shell? Let's mull over it. The answer to why make idlis in coconut shell is very simple. Just to break the monotony. That's all it is. Everyone, likes a little change. So creativity in presentation, creativity in even adding extra, flavors or extra decorations to the food makes it just different. And that's why I decided to make idli in a coconut shell. That's all to it, to break the monotony. How do you break the monotony of so many common dishes that we have every day? Do share them with me in the comment section below. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.